In order to understand the phenomena of healing, we need to understand the phenomena of energy. Why? Because everything in this world is energy. If you agree, just write yes in the chat box. Yes or no? Everything in this world is energy. What is the smallest particle that is available? What is the smallest particle when you break down anything? What is the smallest particle? What is it called? It's called as atom. When you break down atom, what do you get? Protons, neutrons, electrons. What is proton, neutrons, and electrons? ये क्या है? These are energy particles. Yes or no? So everything ultimately is based on energy. And these energies, the energy that we are talking about, energy in motion is emotion. Yes or no? Just think about it. When your energy is high, I want all of you to do this on a piece of paper. Do this. When the energy is high, and if it is more tilted towards pleasantness, then what are the emotions that you experience? Let me know here in the chat box. When the energy is high, and if your energy is tilted towards pleasantness, then what is the emotion that you experience? Happiness, excitement, motivation. Yes or no? When the energy is high and if it is tilted towards unpleasantness, then what is the emotion that you experience? Anger, irritation, frustration. When the energy is low and it is tilted towards pleasantness, what will you feel? Peace, calm. Wow, meditative. When your energy is low and if it is tilted towards unpleasantness, what you will feel? Sadness, irritation, sadness, low. Yes or no? So ultimately, it's all about energy. When we talk about healing, we are made up of energy. When something is not right within, that needs to be healed, that needs to be taken care of. So ultimately, we are talking about taking care of our emotions. Generally, when we say that a relationship needs to be healed, can you see a relationship, ladies and gentlemen? How does a relationship look like? Is relationship tangible? Let me know here in the chat box. Is relationship tangible? The relationship between person A and person B. Can you see the relationship? Can you detect the relationship? Can you say that ये person A है, ये person B है, वो देखो बीच में relationship है? Can you see that? Can you point that relationship? Can you say, oh, see, I can see the relationship. Huh? It is pink in color. It is red in color. It is black in color. Can you say that? No. But what is a relationship? Relationship is the way they feel about each other, the way they have conversations with each other, the intention that they have for each other, their actions towards each other, their behavior towards each other. That is what relationship is. Hayana. So when you say you need to heal the relationship, something that is not seen, how can you heal it? So when we say healing, healing is not to be done on relationship. Healing is to be done on us, ourselves. When you heal yourself, you heal the relationship. If you got it, just write yes in the chat box. When you heal yourself, you heal the relationship. Relationship किधर ढूंढने जाओगे? Where is the relationship? If you can see the relationship, oh yes, see, this is the relationship, then you can, put some ointment, bandage and stuff like that. But there is no relationship. Because relationship is an outcome of the conversations that you have, the feelings that you have, the behavioral patterns, the mindset, the expectations, everything. That is what relationship is. So when you say that the relationship is painful, the relationship is going through a lot of tough times, that means there is something inside you that needs to be fixed. And the same stands true for the other person also. Something inside that person needs to be fixed, not just you. So if you want to heal a relationship, you need to take responsibility. If there are two people, this person also has to take a responsibility, this person also has to take a responsibility. दोनों को responsibility लेनी होगी, तब जाके relationship heal होगा. Now, let me ask you this question. Can you take responsibility to heal the other person? Let me know here in the chat box. A and B are in relationship. Can A take responsibility to heal B and can B take responsibility to heal A? No, it's not possible. That's the reason, apna apna dekho. If you are serious about this relationship, then work on it. How many of you have heard this? How many of you heard people saying this, that we need to work on ourselves? We need to work on this relationship. A lot of people, they say this, that, we need to work on this relationship. We need to work on this. But no one says that I need to work on myself. Hi, Anna. Have you ever heard someone saying that, our relationship is going through a tough time. I need to work on myself. Have you heard anyone saying this? No. Why? Because ego comes in between. Ego comes in between. So that's the reason, we change the vocabulary. We say that we need to work on the relationship. Work on the यहाँ पे आप छूट जाते हो. You escape. You escape. Why? Because we need to work on the relationship. Nothing is wrong with me. We need to work on the relationship. So ultimately, what you're saying is, we need to work on the relationship. Ultimately, you're saying this, that this person needs to do something. This person needs to change. Yes, we are working on the relationship. That means, इसको थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा. This person needs to change. That person's attitude is not good. So even there, you are not owning it. You are not taking responsibility. You are not taking the ownership. You are just pushing it on the other side. How many of you know what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen? So when you say that I need to fix this relationship, I need to heal this relationship, you need to heal yourself. What are those unresolved issues? What are the things that you're carrying in your head? What are those bruises that you need to heal? Are there some misunderstandings? Are you headstrong on certain things? What is holding you back? Those preconceived notions? What are you holding? Heal that. Process that. And when we say heal that, okay, let's even bifurcate this. What does heal that mean? When you say that I need to heal myself, what does that mean? Number one, I need to first understand and identify what is wrong with me. Am I stuck in certain thought patterns? Are my past traumas affecting my current behavioral patterns? What is not allowing me to go further? What is holding me back? Why am I so angry? Why am I so irritated? Why am I so sad? Why am I frustrated? Why do I keep on repeating the same patterns? That is what I need to fix. I need to be aware. And in order to fix something, you need to first be aware of it. Awareness is the prerequisite to handling and managing anything in life. So when I start knowing myself better, when I start untying those knots in me, when I start understanding things in a better way, then my entire attitude towards the other person will change. How many of you agree? Just write me in the chat box. When I start untying myself, my attitude, my behavior, my mindset, my emotions, my perception of the other person will change. Yes or no? And if the same thing happens from the other side, that person's perception, that person's attitude, that person's way of looking at me will also change. And if these changes start occurring from both the sides, automatically the relationship becomes better. Are you with me, ladies and gentlemen? So हमने relationship को heal किया क्या? Did we find that relationship and then we did some bandage वगैरह? No, we fixed ourselves. We worked on ourselves. The result of which is the relationship became better.